Hey folks, wanted to do a little review today on this LectroFan White Noise machine. My wife and I use this every night. We've been using it for, I don't know, I'd say the last 4 or 5 years. Great little sound machine for the bedroom. And there's some other videos that go over a lot of the features, but I just quickly want to tell you about a few things. Like I said, we've had this for a few years. It's worked every night. We take it on vacation with us. We've taken it to the beach, on cruises, different places. Anyway, it's got fan sounds, white noise, volume up and down, and then the power, and it's got a 60-minute sleep timer on here. And just to give you a real quick example of what it sounds like, but then I want to do a comparison because I have forgotten to take this with us a few times, and I want to show you what I've used as a substitute. And what I've used as a substitute works in a pinch, but not nearly as well as this. So I just wanted to kind of show you this thing real quick, and hang on for just a second. So this is some of the, sorry, that was the fan sounds. So you can see this thing gets pretty loud. It's all, turn the volume down. It's all electronic. There's no moving parts in here. It's not like an actual fan. There's some others that are available that use an actual fan motor, but this is all electronic. So these are, it can run through some different fan sounds, and then when it gets to that little siren sounds, it means it ends its loop, and then it loops back through the other fan sounds. You can switch over then to different types of white noise, and runs through different frequencies of white noise until you find one you like. Basically, it sounds kind of like your HVAC running. And then you can turn it up and down there. So, and you can maybe look at some of the other videos and get all the features there. So what I've done when I've forgotten that thing, and I really hate when I forget it, because in a hotel or something, you just get really used to this thing, because you'll hear people walking up and down the hallway, or people having a party, you know, a few doors down, and this thing, you'd be surprised how just a little bit of noise in your room will cancel out all that ambient noise in the hallway. So I've got a little app, and it's just well, hang on just a second, free app on the phone, and you can just go in and put some white noise or brown noise. Here's pink noise, blue noise. Anyway, and this works okay. But I want to show you something here. It's no comparison to this LectroFan, because what happens is you've got these little speakers on the bottom of the phone, and you've got this big speaker in the LectroFan. So let me show you what happens. I'm going to put this, that's on one of the white noise there, and you do have to crank the volume up for this test, but it's just a lot fuller sound. So it's going to fill your bedroom up, or your hotel room, your cruise cabin, wherever you're staying. That's off. A lot more pleasant sound because it's a lot fuller and immersive sound. The phone works in a pinch, but it's really no match for this, and I really can't recommend this highly enough. You really don't even need to turn this up very much. You just want to knock off a little bit of the noise outside of your bedroom. You'd be amazed how this thing will help you fall asleep. Anyway, hopefully that helps some people out. Thanks for watching the video.